Hey, this is Rai from London. Are you curious whether can you read in your dreams? The simple answer is no. It's very unlikely that you will be able to read. You might read some words or something like that. For example, if you open a book in a dream, well, some people, once they open it, the words start flying around, the letters, and it's just quite difficult. Maybe you will read some words or might not. Depends by the person and how your minds work. As I was once a dream, there was where I was looking at the TV, and it was quite difficult to see what's going on there in this TV. There, I couldn't able to read anything, and later on there was also was a road sign. I was suddenly I want to read what's over there, but as more I focus like to read it, but I couldn't see it. So unlikely you can read it in your dream. And did you know that actually that's a great sign to trigger your lucid dreaming? A lucid dream is something where you realize you are dreaming and then you can do lots of things. It's like your own virtuality world. If you would like to learn more about lucid dreaming and save some time about the research, or in one page you have all the information what's necessary to become a lucid dreamer, then check out the link below in the description. If you got any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.